Alright, so what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Alright, so what's good YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
Who's my son? 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 Who's my son?
And we are back with a brand new video. What's up guys? What's going on? How is everyone doing? Me, I hope all is well to whoever's tuning in, checking me out tonight. But if you're brand new, please do me a favor. Feel free to hit the subscribe button down below as we are on the journey this year to hitting 10,000 subscribers. We are 215 subscribers away from 7,000. So please do me a favor, do yourself a favor, hit that subscribe button down below. Also, if you're brand new, or even if you're not brand new and you haven't done so yet, hit the little notification bell down below and it'll let you know every time we drop a brand new video. Alright guys, we're going to be jumping right into today's video. Today, we have a pair of UAs and we have a retail pair of the UNC toe. We're going to be checking these out. Now, I wanted to start the video up here. I wanted to actually do the video up here, but it is extremely hot up here. So I think I'm going to take this to the backyard. Without further ado, let's jump into today's review. Alright guys, here we have both boxes. Now we have, like I said, retail versus UA. Now there's only a half size difference between the two. One is a 10.5 and one is a size 11. Now right off the bat, as you can see, it's two different color blues. I don't know if you can see that, but I can see that. Take a look at the all right guys, here the top of the boxes. Now like I mentioned before, we got two different color blues, but like I said, we're not gonna wear the box. Guys, let me know in the comment section which one is the UA, which one is the retail, which one is the UA, which one is the retail. Let me know. Also too, remember they come with extra laces. This is the UA though guys. This is the retail. Check out the size tags up close. That's the retail. I told you it's a 10.5. And then the UA is a size 11. Same. There's a look at the bottoms. This is the stars on the UA. And that's the stars on the retail. Same shiza. Nike Air on the insole. That was the UA, this is the retail. Alright guys, first taking a look at the toe boxes. As you can see, they kind of match up. One's a little bit different than the other, the color. This being retail, this being UA. But the leather, man, I gotta say, is still the same. Alright guys, this is the UA. Check out the toe box. Sorry guys, it's just too hot to do the video up in the attic, but I'll show you guys the toe box. This is the UA. This is the retail. Check out the Nike Air on the retail. Check out the Nike Air on the UA. I mean, as for material, guys, everything feels really similar. Look at that. Super similar. Put this one flat side down. This one, put it flat side down. Have a look at the whole shoe. I mean, the color's a little off, as you can see. Very little, nothing too crazy. You got the Wings logo on the retail pair. Wings logo on the UA pair. All right, here we have the Wings logo, the back, everything side by side. UA being on the right, retail being on the left. This is the retail pair. And that's the UA pair. There's really not much of a difference. It's crazy, man. UA, retail. I wore my retails because I did the review and on foot. If you want to check that out, just click the link at the top of the screen. It'll, take you directly to that. There we go. We got a side-by-side comparison of the tongue. UA being on the right, retail being on the left. You see the blues are a little bit off, but UA, retail. It's the back. Like I said, not really much of a difference, man. It's getting crazy out here. There you go, full side by side. Can you tell me which is which? I doubt that you can. Alright guys, please let me know your thoughts, your opinions, your comments. I want to hear what you guys have to say. Now, are these shoes pretty close? They're pretty close. Now, are these the, best replica? I have no idea. Like I've mentioned before, these guys just hit me up on Instagram asking me to do some, videos for them. And me, this is what I do. I like to take them and compare them to the retail pair. Just to, I guess, give you guys some, somewhat an idea. I do not make any money off of these shoes. I do not sell these shoes. I do not make any money from doing this video. So please, let me know your thoughts, your opinion in the comment section. Also, like I mentioned earlier into today's video, we are 215 subscribers away from 7K. Please do me a favor, do yourself a favor, hit that subscribe button down below. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, day out. I truly appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. But until next time, it is your man, the son of some man, and we're out, guys. Peace.